Hey everybody, and welcome back to Park ADV. So this is the episode that I'm going to be breaking the chain on the XT250. I could not find a chain master link on there, and I'll explain what that is when I break it off of there. This should be helpful for anybody who runs into a situation where their chain does not have a removable link. They make a tool called a chain breaker, and it's not that hard. So let's just jump into that video, and I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I think we're up to 442 subscribers now. You guys are making it happen. Go for it. Let's get it done. Let's get started. I got started in this stuff. How does this work? See, it drives the pin out. But how's it going to do that? So now, just to make sure I'm not fumbling this up, I'll bet. So now, just to make sure I'm not fumbling this up, I'll bet in this manual they got how to break a chain. Oh, pro taper. In this manual, they got how to break a chain. Whoa, pro taper stickers. Woohoo. So we're going to go to this part that talks about where this chain is. Service information, special cork with an internal clutch, throttle. Drive chain 197. Yeah, my pain is self-chosen. Yeah, my pain. Yeah, there is not one. Well, that's that. I'm not going to show you how to break a chain on this manual. Well, right here it's saying it's probably better just to, when cleaning the drive chain, use a suitable cleaner that will not destroy the O-rings. Pay particular attention to not soak your O-ring chain in a solvent for too long. After a long soak, the solvents can get inside the O-rings and destroy whatever lubrication remains. While the O-ring can confound your attempts to relubricate the chain, it is best to just brush off the O-ring chain with a stiff bristle brush and a moist wipe. Well, that's what I'm going to do then. I'm not going to do the chain breaker. I'm just going to clean it. Right? I'm all about making things simpler too. And seeing that I'm not quite sure if I shove the pin through this side, this backer, the pins push through it. What do you guys think? Should we do it? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do this shit. Let's shove that pin through. All right. What fun is any of this if you can't have fun, right? Let's get that chain off of there. Okay, that's right on that pin. We're gonna give it a go. We're gonna use this headlamp too. All right, I think that what I'm supposed to do, and you know what, if I ruin this chain, I'll buy another one. You know, there's always that. I think I'll use a socket. I'm gonna drive that sucker through there. Woo! My pain. Yep, there it goes. We'll do this side. Yep. And then, oh hell yeah, I think it's working. Which one was on? This one. Now we'll go over to here, this side. Flip the ratchet over and get it on that pin right there, and crank this side. And bring it up that way. Wow. Yeah, it's pushing that pin through. This thing's wonderful. This thing is absolutely wonderful. You know it? Goes. Yep. Yep. We're almost there now, baby. You see what I did? Can you see what I did? I punched the pin out. Hope you can see that. Hope you can see that. I'm pushing the pins on the chain through the other side by this dowel. There's a dowel here. And I'm going to show you guys all this stuff as I do it. But again, this isn't something... God dang, I keep bumping everything into everything. Got a lot going on here. Okay, so I'm going to hook this one back on this one. And I'm going to link one back up on that pin. Let's see if we can get this off. Yep. Hope I'm not filming ridiculousness. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how a chain is broke. See the pins? They just slide in and out of that plate. I didn't bend the plate or nothing. And then help back here should be my O-rings. I sure the heck don't. I feel one. There's got to be another one. One, and he's there. He's there. and 2. We got 2 O-rings. And now when this chain goes back on, I put the O-rings back on these, see? And the whole idea behind the O-ring chain, I don't know how it works. I don't know if I trust it. But the O-ring is supposed to seal the rollers. And the rollers, obviously, the rollers are these. These are the rollers. And so they're supposed to seal oil in them rollers and keep the dirt and stuff out. They say don't soak it in solvent. I'm gonna soak it in solvent. Solvent's the best way for me. I got a really, really soft solvent that does a really good job. There's that thing for that. And we're gonna move you guys over. The inside of the tank's dirty because I was going to clean it out, but to do that I have to let all the solvent out, and then I realized they didn't have enough solvent to redo the whole tank. Hey guys, and thank you for watching this segment of Breaking the Chain on the XT. Yeah, it's just something I do all the time, and I haven't broke a chain on a bike for a couple years. I kind of like going through with you guys pretty much the way it would happen for you, for anybody that's new doing it. Just make sure you push those pins out evenly, because what'll happen is if they come out crooked or you push one out further than the other, the plates will want to bind, and that's why I had to push one of the pins back to even it out. And that way the pins will slide out of that plate. And hey, there's nothing like doing it for yourself, right? So get in there and give it a try. Make sure you buy a good chain breaker. And then I hope you can access this video, part by part, step by step, and find that you can do it too. We'll be putting the chain back on the bike when we start putting all that back together. So the next segment is going to be all about taking the rear end off the bike, the rear tire, and all of that, examining the bearings and everything like that. So like I said, I'm feeding this all to my how-to Mechanics Works video part, and I hope it's helpful to somebody out there. That's it. Until the next video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We got 447 subscribers now. When I started this, I had 442. You guys are killing it, man. Come on, let's go. If you like what I'm doing, let me know it. All right. Till next time, see you later.